The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to work your new calculator with radians and degrees and remind you how to do the 6 different trig functions. And then I'm going to give you a little notes sheet for you to remember our right triangle trigonometry, all of the SOHCAHTOA stuff, and the 30, 60, 90, and 45, 45, 90 special triangles. Thank you. I don't feel like those are topics that I need to stand up here and reteach because you've seen them 2 years prior, both in geometry and algebra 2, but they're so important you do need to take a day to practice. Okay? So let's first work on our calculator. First of all, everybody hit this mode button right here, right next to second. Okay? Do you see where it says radian degree? Okay, whatever is highlighted is the mode that it is in. So look at my calculator. Which mode is my calculator in? Okay, let's all change ours to degree. So highlight it and hit enter. To get out of this screen, second click. Okay. So I would like you to calculate for me the cosine of 120 degrees. Do you get negative 1/2? Okay. Beautiful. If I ask you for the sine of 7 pi over 5, could you type that in right now? Okay, what do you need to do first? What? Change it to radian mode. Our angle is in radians. So you need to go back and change your mode to radian mode. Okay? Your quiz on Friday, some of it is going to be literally, can you work with your calculator? Okay? Can you change it back and forth from radians to degrees and know when you need to do what? Can you all find your pi symbol right here? You have to use the second button, but it's the second caret. All right. Now, those aren't the hard ones. Okay? Those, if I have those on a piece of paper, you type them into your calculator. The only roadblock is, can you remember to change it back and forth? Okay? Now, where we need to think a little bit, cosecant. Do you see a cosecant button? Cosecant is not the inverse of, it is the reciprocal. I will remind you that the cosecant is the reciprocal of which function? Sine. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So first of all, we are going to need to put this into degree mode. I'm being obnoxious for a reason. Okay? And if we want to evaluate the cosecant of 24 degrees, we would need to type in 1 divided by the sine of 24 degrees. Without me, work together at your table to compare answers. Please evaluate the secant of 5 pi over 12. Mara, what'd you get? 3.86? Mara got 3.86. Did you get 3.86?
Yes.
Okay. I understand that you may think that this is no big deal, but I'm telling you, if you do not practice, you will not remember how to do secant, cosecant, and cotangent on your quiz Friday. You'll be that person. You're 80 points. Okay? All right. You'll notice when you look at your gold sheet, you'll see problems from 2 different pages. Okay? I think one is like to practice the secant, cosecant, cotangent stuff, and one is to practice our right triangle trigonometry. So what I have for you, before you get to your homework, you need to get this checked off by me. Okay? So on the front, there is a triangle. It says label the sides, hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. And then you're going to tell me what each of the 6 trig ratios are. And then it gives you a scenario where you label the triangle and give me the numbers of all the trig ratios. Okay? On the back. Okay? On the back. I would like you to fill out our 2 special right triangles. 45, 45, 90. And 30, 60, 90. Okay? There is a relationship with the sides, and you need to understand that relationship in order to be able to solve triangles with these angles. Okay? So what I need you to do is complete the front, flip it over, fill out these 2 triangles. When that is done, call me over. I'll say, yes, you have it, or maybe let's tweak this. And then once you do have it, you can start on your homework. Okay? It is 8:39, and we are in here until 9:07. Could you maybe get some homework done? Yes, that would be fabulous, wouldn't it? You all need to go to bed early tonight because you're all tired.